Removing and preventing crabgrass is essential if you want to keep your lawn healthy and lush. Here's what you'll need to get the job done. First, identify the areas with crabgrass. It's a low-growing weed that splays outward like a crab, and it's easy to spot. As the weed dies in fall, it drops seeds that can germinate in spring, so it's important to remove the clumps as they pop up. You can use a weeder tool or pull by hand. Just be sure to remove them roots and all. For heavy infestations, you may need to apply a post-emergent herbicide designed specifically for crabgrass. After the last frost, begin lawn maintenance. Healthy turf can keep crabgrass and other aggressive weeds at bay. Another way to prevent crabgrass is by keeping your lawn on the tall side. 3 inches is an ideal height to shade the soil and keep any stray seeds from germinating. You'll also want to fertilize the lawn regularly so it becomes thick and lush, leaving little space for weeds to grow. Weeds love a stressed lawn, so water deeply during dry conditions to develop a deep, resilient root system. Next, reseed or lay sod over bare spots, then water frequently until the new grass is established. Finally, in early spring, reapply a pre-emergent herbicide to prevent crabgrass from returning. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.